Welcome to ProfitLocker Pro. ProfitLocker Pro is a smart, dynamic, and customizable stop loss that is revolutionizing the way to trade stocks. ProfitLocker Pro is also patent pending and simply blowing the doors off the competition. Let's take a closer look. Here's a chart example of AMD, and you can see ProfitLocker Pro, which is the teal colored line on the chart. Think of this as your line in the sand after you enter a trade. Initially, ProfitLocker Pro functions similar to a trailing stop until the stock price stops moving higher or reaches break-even, at which point it will flatten out to help accommodate new volatility. This will give the stock a chance to do what you want it to do, which is get much closer to your target. As the stock continues to climb, ProfitLocker Pro will continue to tighten more and more aggressively the closer you get to your target gain, so you can make the most out of each and every opportunity. If your target gain is surpassed, it will still chase the stock higher, but with a very, very tight stop. So this looks impressive, right? Let's take a look at some more examples. In fact, let's take a look at ProfitLocker Pro in a portfolio setting trading S&P 500 caliber stocks. Wow, would you look at that? 146% in just over 3 years. And look how well it performed even through late 2018. Let's see how this stacks up against some other popular forms of portfolio management tactics. So here we have some case studies between 5 very popular forms of money management tactics, and we'll see that ProfitLocker Pro beats the pants off of all of them. So whether you're looking at buy and hold, trailing stops, recommendations, or say plus or minus 2.5 ATR. From the easiest to the most sophisticated, ProfitLocker Pro beats the pants off of all of them, has tremendous win-loss ratio, and really does a terrific job of keeping commissions low. This is a winning combination, if you ask us. Let's look at some of the individual trades. Just look at all those winners at the top. Let's check the charts for both entry and exit. Here we can see a beautiful entry on PKX, and boy, ProfitLocker Pro does a nice job of knocking us out almost right at the peak. So PKX, clear winner. Heiko Corp, winner. IGT kept us out of trouble and did so quick. PAAS, another clear winner. And so the best news yet, in portfolios, VectorVest allows our subscribers to paper trade ProfitLocker Pro until you gain more confidence and are ready to trade it live with a broker. And you can do so with alerts sent directly to your mobile device, or even a direct API from the software platform right to one of our broker-approved partners. The main point here is, though, you'll always know exactly where your stop is on every stock, every single day, right up to the last tick if you have VectorVest Real Time. You'll also have a nice snapshot of the current ProfitLocker Pro settings, which are customizable. Not sure what ProfitLocker Pro settings may work the best for you? Well, there are several templates included right out of the box. So no matter whether you're speculative, aggressive, prudent, or conservative, we've got you covered. Remember, with VectorVest Stock Advisory mobile app, ProfitLocker Pro notifications will come straight to your mobile device, so you can manage your portfolio while on the go. Want to take ProfitLocker Pro for a test drive? Try VectorVest ProfitLocker Pro free for the next 30 days. And just look at all the nice benefits you'll receive. All you got to do is go to www.vectorvest.com/ProfitLockerPro, so you too can join the ProfitLocker Pro revolution today.